With Mother's Day just around the corner, we here at DTF Superstore want to share some unique and creative gift ideas using direct-to-film transfers. We have two outside-the-box DTF custom creations, as well as an incredible technique for digitizing physical art and photos to print on DTF. The first project we'd like to share is a charming sweatshirt designed to celebrate mom and each of her children. We created a beautiful script font Mama on the front, which can be customized to mom or mother, along with an established date marking the birth of her first child. We're also taking advantage of the versatile placement options offered by DTF to add each child's name above the cuff on the sleeves. There's plenty of room for even the largest families. We'll use our standard heat press for the front graphic and our hat heat press for the sleeves. To ensure a smooth transfer, we'll use a pressing pillow on both the front and each sleeve to prevent the seams from causing any issues. This is both a practical and delightful gift for any mom on Mother's Day. As a father of two older children, I remember when they were younger, they always brought home crafts for their mom on Mother's Day. It can be challenging to know what to do with all those keepsakes. So we're going to show you a fantastic way to create a memory blanket out of those crafts using DTF. Let's start by showing you how to take a physical item like these and digitize them. Take your items one at a time, place them on a flat surface with soft lighting to reduce shadows, and take a picture, making sure the artwork is squared up in the frame. Once you have all your pictures, decide on the size of each square, which can vary depending on the look you desire. We're using a blanket with soft fleece on one side and a sweatshirt material on the other, working on the sweatshirt side since fleece isn't compatible with DTF. Most of the artwork I have is roughly 11 by 14 in shape, though your project dimensions may vary. I'm going to open a new document in Photoshop with the dimensions 11 inches by 14 inches and a resolution of 300 dpi for optimal print quality. I'll drag and drop each image into this project, size it accordingly, and make some adjustments to the saturation and levels to boost the brightness and colors a bit. Once I have all of my items in the file, I can export them all using File, Export, Layers to Files. What this does is saves each layer as an individual PNG file. Now, if you want help laying it out and not just winging it, create a new document in Photoshop with the dimensions of your blanket. In my case, 72 inches by 54 inches is the area I want to work with. Import all your saved PNGs and decide your layout digitally. Now let's head over to our Mongoose 2 DTF printer and rip, print, and cure our memory squares. At this point, you're probably wondering, how are we going to press a big blanket like this? We're gonna answer that right now, but first, if you're finding this video useful, let us know by hitting the like button. The answer for how to press an oversized blanket is actually pretty simple. One piece at a time. Don't worry about multiple pressings of some transfers. They'll be fine. First, set the temperature on your heat press to 270 degrees, and we're gonna press for 20 seconds with medium to firm pressure. We're using a little bit lower temperature than normal to help protect the fleece on the backside. I'm using our V2 hot peel film, so I can remove the film right after pressing. Then I'm gonna grab my T-seal for the best feel and do my second press right away so I don't lose track of which transfers have been double pressed. A second press is necessary for the best longevity. And trust me, mom is going to want this to last forever. Next, we just rinse and repeat for each panel until the entire blanket is done. If these projects sparked additional ideas you can offer your clients using DTF, hit the subscribe button because we've only just gotten started and there's more to come. Sweet.